Okay, so today we're going to go and take the car for a rolling road session. What can it be?
Right, so if we run this for a while just to get all the gearbox and everything warm,
Yeah.
and then once we've done sort of like, a few minutes of doing that, then we'll do a power run and see what we've got.
Yeah. What do you want me to do? Bring it up?
Yeah, just bring it all up to temperature. Basically, all the transmission is the wheel and pole bit.
Yeah.
So yeah, just drive it in fourth gear until, just for a little while, and I'll just connect the ramble sensor up. Good to go. Once you're into off gear, just squeeze onto flat on the boards. When you get, what we're going to do is rev this to 8.5 initially.
Yeah, initially, yeah.
So rev to 8.5. Once you get there, lift off the throttle, immediately put it into neutral. Let the car coast down, don't touch the brakes.
Right.
Keep the engine running if you want.
Carry on then.
Yeah, well, the thing to do is just keep flipping it.
Yeah.
But don't touch, don't stick it in gear and don't touch the brakes.
Right.
Alright? Just put your foot flat on the boards for a minute, will you? Yeah, that's fine. This one. Yeah. Alright, so give it a go. If you've got any problems, if this means to just give up, this one, shut it down. Yeah, this one to get your foot in it.
Yeah, so up to 8.5 and then...
Once you'll feel it go under load, it'll gradually travel up to 8.5 for you flat on the boards.
Yeah.
Just get to 8.5, just lift off and then immediately put it into neutral. And just let the car coast down.
Right.
Just keep flipping the throttle, just keep oil pressure down there.
Okay.
Alright?
Brilliant.
leave it at that?
Yeah. Can we mark the distributor?
Yeah. See the marks I've put on it?
Yeah.
You might put another mark on it where you want it. And then you can see the two. So, what else do we need? About it, really, isn't it?
That's about it. If you think it's safe, well,
Yeah,
it's,
fueling's fine.
Fueling's fine. That's what it was.
We're in between where, I mean that's, if I just show you on this. So we're up on the upper limit, so 0.85 is what we would normally set to, which is there.
Right.
Yeah, and you're just a bit above it. But if I go one jet size down, we'll come down here.
Yeah,
No, because we know that loses horsepower.
yeah.
So yeah, that's as good as it's going to get. And we've just retarded the ignition a little bit, which will make it a little bit safer than what it was. That'll make it slightly, very slightly richer at the top end, but yeah, next to nothing. What we'll do is we'll just give it another power up, like that.
Yeah.
Just double check that we're not adding too much fuel. I don't think we would have done it, maybe just a little bit rather than that. So. Sort of like 120 out of these. So it's bang on the money. Yeah. That's good. You're good to go.
So there we go, that was the rolling road. Big thanks to John. I'll put his details in the description below, but he did want me to point out that he only ever sets up race cars, and if you've got a road car, he suggests you go elsewhere. So, but anyway, big thanks to John. Thank you very much. So the rolling road went really, really well. The whole idea was to make sure the fueling was correct, the ignition was correct, so that it didn't start detonating at the higher revs. And the fueling was actually spot on. one of the things I did want to try was one of these filters on the top, because in period they always used to run with open pipes, but after seeing the wear last year on the engine, I just wondered what difference this would make. Just stops all the stones and the crap going down in the engine. Basically it just disrupted the airflow and it wasn't very good. It affected the torque figures. So the best thing that John said to me you could do is just throw it away. So that's what we're going to do. We're not going to use that. So what we did was we played around with the ignition timing. The fueling was spot on. We advanced it, we retarded it, and we actually found the optimal one, which actually gave us a really nice torque figures. Wasn't necessarily the maximum horsepower, but it gave us the best torque figure. And so the other thing that I wanted to do was, it didn't idle very well, so we put a bigger idle jet in the carburetor, and so, but that actually introduced a bit more fuel. So on the last run, we just made sure we hadn't got too much fuel at the top end, and it actually turned out to be spot on, and it actually in the end gave us our maximum horsepower figure. So really useful session, and it gives me the confidence that the car is safe, it won't detonate at high speeds, so I'm really happy. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't done already, please subscribe to the channel. All the other videos now are going to be racing, I think, hopefully racing. I've been invited to Goodwood at the members meeting, which is next week, so I'm really looking forward to that. So obviously there'll be a video about that, and yeah, we'll see you all next time. And remember, how hard can it be?